Moldovan potato cheese soup. For this you will need 50 grams of unsalted butter, 2 large onions, 3 large carrots, 2 large potatoes, quarter of a teaspoon of sweet paprika, large pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, 1¼ litres of chicken stock, (225 grams of cheddar, salt, pepper, and some imaginary chives. Melt the butter in a Moldovan saucepan over a medium heat. Add the onion, and carrots, saute gently for 20-25 minutes until they are soft and lightly coloured. After 25 minutes, stir in the potatoes, the spices, and the spices and the parsley. Now add the chicken stock, or in my case chicken flavoured stock. And bring to the boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat, cover and simmer for 30 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. After 30 minutes, strain the stock into a bowl. Puree the vegetables in a food processor or blender with a little of the stock, about 1 cup. Maybe half a cup. Return the puree to the saucepan. Return the stock to the saucepan. Set the soup over a low heat and stir in the cheese. that in the cheese until it is melted, but do not allow to boil. That looks about right. And now for the taste test. That is delicious. I'm afraid I have to give it a 19 stars out of 20 on the yummy scale. I had no option.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.